Okay, so today I'm gonna be testing 3 different GoPros that I have, oldest to newest. As you can see, right here I have the GoPro Hero 3 Plus. I got the GoPro Hero 9 Black and the GoPro Hero 12 Black Creator Edition. And I have this platform right here that I'm gonna move around. I'm gonna take it outside and I'm gonna record at the same time. And they all will be recording at their highest resolution. I'm gonna max them out and see how they perform, and then I'll record them at their, the resolution where they record the best overall, and see what the difference is. So, as you can see, this is how they have them. So, let's get to record. Okay, so all the cameras are recording at the same time. They're right next to each other. As you can see, the only difference is that the Creator Edition has a mic and this light that I'm gonna use. Maybe there's a big difference that you can see on this one. Like I said, they're in the max capacity. This is inside the house. Let me turn off the lights. Now this is with the lights off inside the house. It's pretty dark in here. And let's see this one. As you can see, the Creator Edition has the highest brightness, but let's say if it didn't have that light, let me turn it off. This is how it would all look inside. So now let's move this around. Let's move the camera, walk around, see how the frames per second looks. The GoPro Hero 3 Plus, I believe it's recording in 4K, 12 frames per second is the max. My GoPro Hero 9 Black is recording at 5K, I believe it's not showing much, but I believe it's like 30 frames per second, but I'll fix that if I'm wrong. And then my GoPro Hero 12 Creator Edition is recording at 5.3K, 60 frames per second. So let's go outside and see how they do with the light. See, lights open. I don't know if it's making a huge difference. I'm in the sun. That's how it looks outside. Now, let's try the inside. Let's try going in the inside and see from outside to inside. So this is what it looks like coming from outside to inside. Now what I will try to do is, like I said, this one has a light. So what I'll try to do is, now we're gonna record at their best capacity. So I'm gonna set all the cameras to where they record the best, and then we're gonna switch and see how different they look. Okay, so now I got my GoPro Hero 3 Plus is recording at 180p, 60 frames per second. My GoPro Hero 9 is recording at 2.7K, 60 frames per second, and my GoPro Hero 12 is recording at 4K, 120 frames per second, because I already did 5K, 60 frames per second. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna turn on the light on the GoPro 12. You can see this is with the lights on. Pretty sure you could pick up on the other cameras as well. Let me turn that off for now, just to have it off. All right, so this is gonna be check the difference in movement, picking all of them up, moving them around the house, see if there's a huge difference in movement. What else? This is with the lights on at the house. So now what I'll try to do, I'm gonna go back outside and see what kind of movement it does, just going straight, to the light. See if there's any huge difference. Now Big difference. Now we're gonna try go back inside the house into the dark. So we're back at the dark. See if there's a big transition in light. Like I said, moving around. Let's sit. Let's try to sit back down. Like I said, this is with the light for the GoPro Hero 12 Creator Edition, which also has a mic.